Welcome, teachers. Here is our lesson opener for our upcoming lectures together. We know that our focus will be the backwards assessment model, including procedural habits, conceptual knowledge, unpacking standards, and creating student learning goals. However, I'd like us to frame our thinking for just a moment. Please meet Aria. She was a fourth grade student of mine back in 2019. In the beginning of the year, she was deemed below grade level and significantly at risk. As you can imagine, her parents were extremely concerned. Aria's main area of concern was literacy, as she was performing in the 10th percentile in the beginning of the school year. We gave her intensive intervention in both literacy and math, weekly progress monitoring, and we even reviewed her work samples in PLCs. After a few weeks of reviewing her work, we were able to discover that her gap was actually a third grade gap and not a fourth grade gap. We adjusted our instruction appropriately, utilized the backwards planning model to support our small group instruction, communicated with her parents, and by the end of February of 2020, Aria was performing in the 60th percentile. Keep Aria's story in mind. Think about a struggling student of your own and write their name down on a sticky note or a piece of paper. Now let's reflect. We haven't really dug into our backwards planning model just yet, but knowing what you know about great teaching, how can unpacking standards and revising assessments help that specific student that you named? What have you done for them thus far? And how else can you support them? Why are standards and vertical alignment critical to the academic success of our students? Take a moment now to pause the video and jot down your notes to these reflection questions. Keep that student in mind as we continue through our lectures and our work together. Ultimately, our goal for our upcoming sessions will be to become familiar with the backwards assessment model, understand its importance, as well as unpacking standards to improve the quality of our instruction. Remember, teaching is not a one-size-fits-all approach, so we need to make sure we are constantly developing our content knowledge to support all of our students. Thank you.